In a world dominated by social media, the art of taking a perfect selfie has become a valuable skill. It's a familiar scene. You're in a beautiful location, the lighting is just right, but something's off. Your selfies just aren't turning out the way you want them to. Enter the iPhone 15. With its state-of-the-art camera system and a few handy tips, you'll be on your way to snapping Instagram-worthy selfies in no time. Firstly, don't underestimate the power of camera settings. Dive into the settings of your iPhone 15 camera app. Experiment with brightness, contrast, saturation, resolution, and frame rate. Spend some time to discover the perfect blend that suits your style. Next, it's all about lighting and angles. Embrace natural light, your best ally when it comes to selfies. Look for soft, diffused light and avoid harsh shadows for the most flattering effect. As for angles, a slightly higher angle often works wonders. Experiment and find that sweet spot that complements your features the most. Now onto poses and expressions. Don't be shy, let your personality shine through. Whether it's a natural smile, a playful wink, or a silly face, the best selfies are the ones that truly encapsulate who you are. Finally, sprinkle a little magic with editing tools and filters. Adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation for a more vibrant look. When it comes to filters, less is more. A subtle filter can enhance your photo, but going overboard can make it look unnatural. To sum it all up, taking great selfies is a blend of mastering your iPhone 15 camera settings, finding the perfect lighting and angle, being expressive, and using editing tools and filters wisely. With these simple, easy-to-follow steps, you're well on your way to stepping up your selfie game. So go ahead, grab your iPhone and start snapping those cute selfies you've always wanted. Happy clicking!